tell you that I love you, and I pray you try to trick me, but baby, you told me you was going through this with me. Tell me I was tripping, that my eyes were seeing shit, but it was just the truth. No, you can't admit to it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Poetress. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Today I am coming on here to do an unboxing of some sneakers that I just bought from Finish Line. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So as you guys can see, I got this big old box right here. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. As you can see, it is a pair of Nikes, and I got them in a 5.5 because I wear a 5.5 in boys. This is the information with the order number on it, and this is the receipt. So overall, these sneakers cost $90.53. So if you guys are interested in it, that is the total price for these sneakers if you buy them online. If you guys don't know, I am a sneakerhead. Like, I only wear like thick heels unless it's like on a special occasion. But other than that, I'm a sneakerhead. Woo-wee. So y'all, I got these all black Huaraches, and I've always wanted Huaraches since they were popular a couple years ago, but I was too busy like listening to what other people say about these sneakers. But I happen to like these sneakers, and I like the fact that they are black, and I like the fact that I got them before I get my shirt. So that's cool. I really love these sneakers. They have them a hot pink, but I'm not a pink girl. I don't do pink. But the hot pink Huaraches that I seen, ooh, I want those. And they had all white, and I was like, I don't want to get all white because white tends to get dirty very, very quickly. So this is what the shoe looks like, you guys. Again, they are $90 and some change if you buy them off of the internet. That is the full total price of this sneaker. I really like these. I have some lime green, baby blue, and bright orange Huaraches, but they don't look like this. I've always been very fascinated with this sneaker, so to have it a part of my sneaker collection is dope. I'm really gonna get the pink pair. Like, I'm really gonna fuck with that. I just gotta find a shirt to go with it. These sneakers is gonna go with a couple of outfits, okay? So y'all gonna be seeing this because I'm gonna post pictures from my trip in Atlanta, so y'all can like kind of see my outfits and stuff like that. But I fucks with this sneaker. Like, this sneaker is dope as shit. Like, I don't know why some people be like, yeah, but this sneaker is ugly. No, it's not. It's really not. It's dope as shit. I'm going to go ahead and try them on for you guys so you can see what they look like on my feet. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is what they look like on my feet. When I put them on, they remind me of like little dance sneakers that, you know, the ballet dancers be wearing and the hip hop dancers be wearing. But I fucks with them. I like them, and they gonna go really, really well with my outfit. I wouldn't necessarily wear these with socks because they're not that type of sneaker. You wear these without socks. I may have to wear them for a few days on my feet to kind of break them in. But other than that, I like them. One thing I would have to say, these fit okay. I would just go a size up. Like, these are not uncomfortable at all. But yeah, if you guys are interested in these sneakers, please let me know down in the comments down below. Also, I will put all the information for these sneakers down in the description box. So just click to see, the size, the color, the brand, everything like that. So yeah, don't be afraid to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in this video. Alright? This y'all.